Right now, it's still a tropical storm system near Jamaica and still kind of stalling out there, moving very slowly, just less than 5 miles per hour. Still kind of disorganized, but the wind speeds right in the center is up to 70 miles per hour. So later on, most likely in the next advisory at 8 o'clock, it will likely become a hurricane. And then going through rapid intensification within the next 24 hours and becoming a major hurricane by tomorrow morning, a Cat 3 hurricane. I will be tracking that for you tomorrow morning, then a Cat 4 on Monday, probably making landfall in Jamaica, or hopefully it goes just east of Jamaica, because it is going to be impacting them with hurricane force winds as of right now, starting on Monday and Tuesday. And then it will be crossing parts of Cuba on Wednesday and then exiting out the Bahamas as a Category 1 or even a 2 hurricane. So that's the latest on the tropics. Meanwhile, we have our own story here. Very windy conditions, wind gusts up to 26 miles per hour, 24 currently in West Palm and in Port St. Lucie. Hour by hour forecast, it is going to be a beautiful day, but the rain chances will be increasing later on. A 20% chance of on and off rains passing through, along with that strong breeze off the ocean. Very windy conditions up to 25 miles per hour, and comfortable highs today near 82 to 85 degrees. Changes are on the way. I am tracking 2 cold fronts, one on Monday and another one on Thursday.